Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at how we can remove ads from the uTorrent software. So as you can see right here, these are all ads, and they also take your bandwidth. They also slow down your downloads in a way, so it becomes necessary that you disable them, you remove them from the software. And the good thing is that uTorrent has made it possible for us to be able to actually remove the ads legally. That is, if you know how to do it. But we've been using it for some time now, and we've discovered how we can remove it. So follow me as we remove the ads from the uTorrent software. Let's go. So first of all, step by step, you click on options, okay? Then you click on preferences. Then you click on advanced, okay? Right here, I've been here already, so you can see it's already there. So when you click on it, for instance, when you come, it should be here. So when you click on advanced, it opens this place, and it gives you a warning that these are advanced options. So warning, do not modify. But these are all strings, okay? I'll be linking these strings in the description below. Make sure you check it out and follow exactly as I do. So first of all, you copy the first string. Okay, you come in here, you paste it in there, and you can see the value is true. So when you double click on it, it automatically changes it to false. You double click again, it goes back to true. Or you can also come here and then click on this, then you copy the second string, okay, you paste it in there, and you can see it's also set to true. So I double click and it's now false. Copy the third one, okay, I double click and it changed to false. And this one here, some of these things might not be available. Some of these strings, you realize when you paste it inside your filter, you are going to see it's not going to bring up any string, because maybe they are not available in the version that you are using. So I'm currently using version 3.55 as at the time of making this video. So I'll change this on also to false by double clicking, and especially for this one here, it's not always available in all versions. Okay, so false. When you finish, you click on OK, and you can see right after clicking on OK, all the ads disappeared from the software, and you now have a very clean uTorrent software to use. So this is pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe, because we have a lot of nifty tricks, tips and tricks coming up on Joy Hit channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching too.